Hey friends, welcome to our BeginPlay horror game series, lesson 9. Today we are creating flickering light to our game. You can make a flickering light with the material, but it's not truly random. It's follow a predictable pattern. So I am use blueprint to make a light flicker. So let's make a truly random flickering light with the blueprint. First, in the content browser, go to blueprint folder and go to actor. And right click, go to blueprint class and select actor blueprint and name it to BP underscore flickering light. Then open it. Go to component, add point light. Now compile, save, and go to construction script and go to component and drag point light to the draft and drag this and search set intensity, this one, and connect this to this and right click here and click promote variable and rename this variable the intensity and compile. Now go to the details. You can find intensity. If you not compile this blueprint, you can't find this intensity, so make sure compile and you can find intensity and set it to the 5000. This setup our light with the default intensity. You can adjust it later. Now go to event graph, track event BeginPlay and search retriggerable delay, this one. This retriggerable delay waits a set time, then loops, restarting if called again. Great for continuous flickering. For duration, like this, add the random float in range, this one, and right click this min and click promote variable and name it to the min time and promote, right click this max and click promote variable and set it, rename it to the max time. Now compile and click min time variable and set its depot value to 0.1 second and click max time and set it to the 0.3 second. Now compile again. This random float in range float generate a random delay between 0.1 second and 0.3 seconds, making flickers unpredictable. And drag this retractable delay complete pin and search FlipFlop, this one. FlipFlop alternative between A and B, each called toggling light states. For A, drag this and set and search set intensity, this one, point light, and right click this new intensity and click promote to variable and name it to the min flickering intensity. And click min flickering intensity, go compile and click min flickering intensity and set value to 35,000, sorry, 3500 and compile and drag this point light and set intensity, this one, and connect it to the FlipFlop PE pin. This scent intensity return to full brightness, toggling back to normal. And we need intensity for it, so go to variable, drag intensity to the this, create it, and drag this output and connect it to the retriggerable delays, and it's not clear, so double click this, you can double click this wire and make reroute nodes, and hold control in the keyboard, then you can drag it, and I made to another one, and this, and also this set intensity connect to the this. Now compile, save, and before close this, go to my blueprint and the variable, enable all variable, this eye icon, and make all variable editable. Editable variable let us tweak values in the level without editing the blueprint. Now again compile and save and minimize this, and I go to my level, and I switch to the unit view and drag my flickering light into the level. In the right side, in details, you can find our variable here under default: intensity, mean time, max time, and flickering intensity. And you go to again to the BB flickering light blueprint and close this IA icon and compile, save, and come back to the details. You can find now we have 2 max time and flickering time intensity. So this IA icon enable make our variables editable in the level. And I come back to the lit view and adjust my intensity to the 4000. 4000. Also, milk current intensity I am set to the 3000, and I am simulate this. You can now clearly see the light flicker randomly, very creepy. It's a bit slow, so try mean time to the 0.05 and max time 0.15, and you can see and you can adjust this variable value and make your flickering light. Alright, we got a creepy random flickering light, perfect for that haunted horror vibe. Check out more tutorial on my YouTube channel, and like this video and subscribe my channel. See you in lesson 10.